Hey traders, Nick Shaheen here looking at Bitcoin. Last time I did a video on it, I'm pretty sure I said some pretty good things that were pretty accurate. I'm pretty good with the Bitcoin for somebody that doesn't trade it. So I did trade it indirectly via stocks and we did home runs with those. But the levels are easy to tell with this guy. I don't know what it is. Maybe the competition is not that good, meaning the people trading on the other side are not that good. So here's the easy part. The last time I did the video, I think it was May. I may have done one before, between then and now. And the Bitcoin was getting tested at 8,000, and in my video, somewhere around here, I think at the 11th, 10th or 11th. So I said the 8,000 will hold. I said the bears have an opportunity if they break through, and I showed the lower level time frames. But I said, looking at the volume profile, it tells me that they're going to hold. And I said it has a scalp, and 10,000 would be an exit point or a short attempt. And if you did that, then you made some money because it went back down to here. So with a tight stop, I said, 2-5% depends on personal preference. So it's easy to find where stocks. This is a ticker where they're going, what they're going to do, where at what levels, and this way, at least if you gather this much information and knowledge on how to read charts, then you avoid the obvious mistakes. For example, people that went long right here, they made a mistake. They should have waited just a little bit longer to see the breach and then chase it, like the people that did it here. So somebody that went long here or here, they made the right decision, okay? Because then they have proof that show me the money type of a deal. They went above the prior fail, then they have, and look, they tested for floor. Not a coincidence. These levels are not coincidence. If you look left, it's exactly this level right here, like to the penny. It's not a coincidence, okay? So it's important to pay attention to charts. So now you see the expert go on, Bitcoin is going to rally because blah, 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 blah. Doesn't matter. Just study the chart and avoid the noise and confusion. Nobody knows shit about shit. Okay, so the charts, the price is truth, they say, price is truth. That's because machines are trading everything. And machines don't act unless they have data. And data is right here. Look left. That's your data. So history is looking left. And that is all you need, especially when trading something that's a slam dunk like Bitcoin. Why does Bitcoin have value? Just because we say so, period. I don't need to know any more than that. Oh, it's not like cash or gold. Yeah, it is. It's exactly like cash or gold because neither of those two will have any value unless we say so. There's no function for it, and it's not a form of payment because it's too volatile. It's an asset. It's got value because people want it to have value. Why argue with it? So trade the chart. That's the only truth here. Don't overthink it. That's my opinion on Bitcoin. And it's rarely wrong because I am unbiased. I don't care which way it goes. I'm just saying what I see. And what I see here is an opportunity that somebody took, and the technicals are in charge. So this is a daily chart. And let me see here. Is it? Let me reset it to make sure. All right, so it's about 1 year worth of data. Let me put my drawings back in to see if they make sense. All right, so here we go. The opportunity was here to break out and do this. They hit that and followed it, fulfilled it. And the opportunity was also to break down, but that never happened. So I couldn't tell you which way it's going to go. But I can tell you once it goes above a certain level, what's going to happen next. So here, the breach happened right at that white line. And now they're going along to fill that. So in order for me to see how far up that my line goes, I don't remember from memory. So this is my weekly chart. A lot of noise, I know, but ignore it. There's so much that matters on this side only. So it tells me that it's at a place where if I'm long, I would probably book it if it's a trade because I expect a pullback. So I anticipated a rally and it hit my target-ish. Okay, this is a fast mover, so you can't be hairline accurate with it. And then I expect a pullback. Why? Because this is where they pulled back from before, last time. So what if I miss out on a little bit? That's fine. So I can buy it again above the prior levels, and then it goes back to, people start talking. Is it going to hit? Is it going to be like gold and hit the all-time high? It's not crazy. So it should get up to 14 eventually on this rally. If you believe in, I'm not an expert in ABC patterns, but that sure looks like one push, consolidation, another push. I'm pretty sure if you go back far enough, you can probably get some sort of a pattern in there. Some sort of an Elliott wave pattern or something. But what I see is a collapse, a push from it, relaxation, consolidation, gather your breath, and another push. Usually these pushes should be about equal, and it looks like there's a little bit more upside there. But I don't want to milk it. If I'm up 30, 40%, hell, I'd book it and call it a day. Maybe leave a runner or two with house money. It all depends on how you're playing it. So these are my thoughts, completely unbiased on Bitcoin. Get out of your own head and stop trying to fight it just because it's Bitcoin. It's a terrible thing to short because it's like shorting Tesla. It's just a suicide. Not because it's valuable, just because of what it does to people who short it or go long it at the wrong times. So Nick signing out. Hopefully you are subscribers of this channel. If not, just it's free. Down below there should be a button to hit to subscribe. Nick signing out.